Who told you to be urinating here? On the roadside. You have been told to keep Juba clean. What are you people doing? Which side? You have urinated here. Starting from this one 150. This one 50. This one 50. Starting from the toilet. Oh, this one is tall. This one is 50. You are 100. Yes. So calculate how much is that? That is 350. Bring the money.
Chai!
To urinate here, you urinate with 50. But tall, 100. You have agreed 100. You pay 50. This is 150. No, pay the money. Pay the money. You pay into.
Chai!
No, we are keeping this. We cannot wear uniform every day. Now 300. Yeah, I don't have change.
Jesus is Lord.
No. It's enough.
No,
you can go back and urinate.
I will not pay that. Baby,
we are taking it. Cinderella, Lomo, we are taking it. Go, Dada.